Well, what do you know? Give them some water and they'll just chill out. So, we need to talk about circulatory systems. So, a circulatory system can be one of two types. We've got our open and closed, if you recall. So an open circulatory system doesn't have any actual capillaries. The fluid called hemolymph literally cascades out into the organs. This is then recollected by a series of vessels, which then bring it back to a muscular heart, which pumps it back out again. When you have a closed circulatory system, all the blood stays in the system. It moves through capillaries, and oxygen and nutrients are exchanged across a barrier. So, in doing this, you keep all of the blood isolated from the rest of the organs, which has its advantages. But when it comes to mollusks, you've got both options. If you're a gastropod, like this snail, or this bivalve right here, you've got an open circulatory system. Both of these involve blood, or hemolymph, just being sprayed out over the other organs. But if you're a cephalopod, things are a little bit more complex for you. You are a closed circulatory system. Cephalopods have 4 hearts, actually, that pump blood, and they do it into small little capillaries, where they exchange the oxygen and nutrients across a barrier. So they have a closed circulatory system, and gastropods and bivalves do not. Theirs is open.